You ever walked into your kitchen and known something wasn't right? What happened? I came into my apartment and something was off. As I looked around, I was scared. I felt someone was there or had been there. I quickly left, went to the office, asked if anyone was in my apartment. They said no, thinking maybe maintenance or something. Nope. I come back, clear the house, yes, with a firearm, and only thing I find off was the toaster unplugged. Couple things moved, weird, but maybe I imagined it. Same thing the next day, except this time the silverware drawer is open. I call police, they act like I'm insane. Next day the microwave is open. Next day blinds are opened. I call again and now I'm just the psycho that calls for a burglary when nothing is stolen. This goes on for 2 weeks and I'm starting to feel insane, to the point I'm scared to go home. Tried to have maintenance change my locks again and they basically acted like I was crazy and wasting their time. I'm sitting in my car afraid to go up after a few weeks of this and my neighbor comes over and says, "Hey, I came home sick from work today and realized your husband is back, everything okay?" I'm like, "Oh what? No, he's not." We had recently separated and I had a restraining order. Apparently he had made a copy of the key maintenance temporarily gave him to get his belongings, because the locks were changed, and he was messing with me every day. I called maintenance and told them to pull the cameras and change my locks or I would, and they did but wouldn't pull cameras. So I called in sick the next day, moved my car so he would think I was gone and waited. I heard footsteps, someone attempt to get in, kicked my door and then retreated. I opened the door when he was down the stairs and said, "Hey." He turned, I took a picture, called the police and reported what had been happening, and finally they believed me. They pulled the cameras from the apartment surveillance and sure enough his truck came in every day.